Under the law of maintenance and cure, when a crew member is injured while working on a vessel, that individual is entitled to have the owner of the vessel pay for all of his medical care from the time of injury until the time that individual reaches what's called a maximum medical cure. Now, this doesn't mean medical care for the rest of your life for a permanent injury. The medical care that's paid by the vessel is until a person gets as good as they're going to get. That crew member is also entitled to what's called cure. Now, cure is a living allowance that a vessel owner is required to pay to an injured seaman during the time in which he is recovering from his injury. It's important to note that under the law of maintenance and cure, it is essentially a no-fault law. So under maintenance and cure, it's not necessary to prove that the particular injury or illness was caused by the fault of the boat or other crew members. The only thing that's important is, did this injury or illness occur while the individual was working on the boat? And again, working on the boat includes time off watch. It's not necessary that it occurred while you're actively working. You could be in the galley eating dinner and have a heart attack. Not the fault of the boat. They didn't cause it. Nonetheless, under the law of maintenance and cure, the vessel operator is required to immediately get that heart attack victim medical care, then to pay for that follow-up care that could last for several weeks or it could be several months. But the requirement to pay ends when that person has basically stabilized, where they're not going to get any better and they're not going to get any worse.